Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the very popular firm FunderPro. This firm has been gaining a lot of traction recently, and I'm comparing it against its competitors like FTMO, E8 Funding and the Fivers, just for you to consider whether FunderPro is worth your time and money. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, as we've noticed 90% of you who watch the videos consistently haven't subscribed. So click the bell notification and let's get into the video. So let's start immediately with what makes FunderPro stand out. The best is daily payouts, and we'll get into the daily reward system in a minute, but having that feature on a prop firm really stands out because not many other prop firms offer that type of reward. The $0 per lot on commissions, you can get up to 90% profit split. There is no trailing drawdown, and news and weekend holding is available. Usually other prop firms do this as an add-on, but FunderPro keep this free of charge. When it comes to the challenges that are available on FunderPro, here's what they have to offer. A one-phase fast track challenge with a 14% profit target and 7% overall drawdown. A two-phase regular challenge with 10% and 8% targets for phase 1 and phase 2 respectively, and a 10% overall drawdown. Then you've also got a swing version of the two-phase challenge, which is for those who want to hold over weekends and through news events. All these challenges come with no time limit, so you can trade at your own pace, and yes, the fees are refundable like on many other prop firms once you're funded. Leverage is up to 1 to 100 on the regular challenge, and there are 0 lot size limits. But just like FTMO and some others, there is a consistency rule, which means you can't make more than 45% of your profits. But just like FTMO and some other prop firm challenges, there is a consistency rule. You can't make more than 45% of your profits on your best trading day during evaluation. But this doesn't apply once you're funded. The consistency rule completely goes away. Now, if we talk about the trading conditions and the spreads that are available on FunderPro, the spreads are already really tight, but once you're funded, you're upgraded. The spreads are already really tight, but once funded, you're upgraded to pro spreads, which are lower than what you get on top tier firms. There's also no slippage manipulation because you're trading on real market liquidity via STP accounts. And they use Trade Locker and C Trader, and the execution is so smooth. And if you're a scalper or a high frequency trader, you're in luck, because FunderPro actually allows and encourages algorithmic and bot trading, which is really rare in the prop firm space. So let's first look at the one-phase challenge. You can get a $5,000 account for $79. The profit target on this is 14%, your max daily drawdown is 4%, and your max overall drawdown is 7%. And you can get leverage on forex pairs up to 1 to 50. With 1 to 10 on metals, oil and indices, and 1 to 2 on crypto, 1 to 3 on stocks. You can't hold over the weekend on this one-phase challenge, but you can trade the news and hold onto the next day. So your 5k account costs you $79, like I said then. Your 10k account costs you $139. Your 25k account costs you $249. Your 50k account costs you $349. Your 100k account costs you $549. Your 150k account costs you $819, and your 200k account costs $1,099. Then we get onto the regular two-phase challenge, where the price for a 5k account is $79 again. Your profit target is 10% in the first phase and 8% in the second phase. Your daily drawdown is 5%, and your max overall drawdown is 10%. But the leverage, you can get 1 to 100 on forex pairs, 1 to 30 on metals, oil and indices, 1 to 2 on crypto, and 1 to 5 on stocks. The price for these accounts are exactly the same as the one-phase challenge. And then we get onto the two-phase swing accounts, which are slightly a bit more expensive. Your 5k account will cost you $89. Your profit target's 10%. Your max daily drawdown is 5%, and your max overall drawdown is 10%. And the second phase, your profit target is 8%. So it's exactly the same as the two-phase. But the only difference is that your challenge leverage for forex is 1 to 30, metals, oil and indices is 1 to 10, crypto leverage is 1 to 1, and stocks leverage is 1 to 2. And obviously the difference is you can hold over the weekend for your swing trading. 10k account would cost you $149, a 25k account would cost you $269, a 50k account would cost you $379, 100k account would cost you $599, a 150k account costs you $899, and a 200k account costs you $1,199. Now, the account sizes on FunderPro are a tiny bit more expensive than your average accounts on some of the other prop firms, but you get a lot of benefits, including how flexible the challenges are on FunderPro, because you can hedge, you can use Martingale strategies, you can use scalping, swing trading, copy trading between your own accounts only, and even high frequency expert advisor setups. You won't suddenly get disqualified for using a trading method that they didn't mention in the fine print. There are a lot of methods that are available on here. And this is where FunderPro really blows all the other firms out of the water, and that is the daily payout system, because I can't even think of a prop firm off the top of my head that allows this to happen. So even though you might be thinking, oh, the prop firm challenges are a bit more expensive, the fact that you can get daily payouts, literally meaning you can withdraw your profits every single day. You don't have to wait bi-weekly or monthly like other prop firms do. It's absolutely amazing for those who want to take the profits out whenever possible. So it becomes available to you once you're obviously funded and once you've accumulated profit which exceeds 1% of your initial account balance. You can withdraw your profits via USDC, which is a cryptocurrency, and RiseWorks. The only real drawback that I've seen on FunderPro is that you can't trade during major news 2 minutes before and after a high impact event. You can hold, but you can't open new ones just 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. So if you're a hardcore news trader, that might limit you a tiny bit. But other than that, they've got so many amazing features that make paying this much money on a prop firm challenge completely worth it. So the only add-ons that are available is the 90-10 profit split, which adds 20% onto your account. So who is FunderPro for? If you're looking for daily payouts, if you use expert advisors or algorithmic strategies, if you want real market execution and fair trading rules, and if you want a challenge you can complete on your own schedule, then FunderPro is really a top tier choice for you. Like I mentioned, they're not the cheapest, but they offer value, real payouts, flexibility, and transparency, and it is worth paying for them daily payouts, especially if you're comfortable with your trading skills right now. If you want to join FunderPro, click the link in our description below. You will also find a link to our full in-depth review and a page which constantly updates the best discount codes for FunderPro. If you found this helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to us for more prop firm reviews and trading content. Thank you for watching.